What are you doing? Lady. No, ma'am. Come back here. What are you doing? Huh? Want this? You want this? Go get it.
Oh, Mochi.
She's trying to grab it and it keeps moving from her. She doesn't understand.
Oh, there she goes. She got it. What's bubbling? You see that? What's that bubbling?
There's water falling from the trees.
Oh. Oh, bubbles are coming up from the ground. Oh.
Want this? You want this? Bring it here. Bring me that ball. You ready? You want it? You want it?
Daddy, can you put it in this and I throw it?
She does not understand that it sinks when she tries to grab it. Bring it here. Bring me that ball. You ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it.
Your little jump's so cute, baby.
You ready? You want it?
Mighty fun. Ready? You ready? Oh. Really?
They can't smell it.
Yeah, we should take her to that. Lady's fishing for it. Did you see that? Mochi, what are you doing?
Mochi, bring me that ball. Bring it here. Put it down. Put it down.
They are going to be tired.
You ready?
No, it's not. Oh, she's getting the big up on it. Did you see that really high one? Oh.
There's a mosquito on my head.
Bring it here, Mochi. Bring it here. They're going to want this on a regular basis now. Put it down. Put it down.
Mochi's loving it. So lovely. Yeah, I can It just turned into a dog and hop across like they do.
Bring it here.
She got her zoomy mode here.
Put it down.
Oh, she was like,
Well, that's funny. The ball is actually like all nice and clean.
oh. Oh, look at that.
Oh, they lost it. Guess so much for that game because I'm not going for it.